Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Notion calendar for school. First, open Notion and create a new page. Choose the calendar database template to get started. Rename this database to something like School Schedule to keep things clear. Next, add essential properties such as course, due date, and type to categorize your entries effectively. This foundational setup ensures your calendar is ready for all your academic needs. Now, let's customize your calendar view to enhance usability. Adjust the main view to display entries by due date, making it easy to see upcoming assignments. You can also use the Group By feature to organize your calendar by course or assignment type, providing a clear overview. Don't forget to apply filters to show only upcoming tasks or specific subjects, keeping your focus sharp. Integrating your tasks and deadlines is crucial for academic success. Add new entries for all your assignments, exams, and even dedicated study sessions. Make sure to set reminders for important deadlines using the date property, ensuring you never miss a submission. You can also link related notes or documents directly within each calendar entry, keeping all your resources in one convenient place. To truly master your Notion calendar, consider these advanced tips. Create recurring tasks for weekly lectures or regular study groups, automating your schedule. Utilize templates for common assignments like essays or lab reports to save valuable time on setup. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. This will help you maintain a highly organized and efficient academic workflow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.